Clapping, sound, action.
लोग कहते हैं कि सबकी जिंदगी सितारे तय करते हैं। अब लोग कहते हैं तो ठीक ही कहते होंगे। वैसे मेरा नाम बिलास परदेसी है, बिल्लू बिल्लू बार-बार।
Basically, Billu Babar is written by Mr. Srinivasan, and I still remember the first day when he narrated the gist of the subject to me. So when he told me this is the plot I have done, that end itself was a complete story.
It's a story of two different people from two different worlds, and perhaps have something in common, which is the simplicity of life, the goodness of life, or the kindness of life.
I'm playing Billu Barber. He has a shop which is very, I should say, inefficient shop.
जिंदगी के अंदर एक फिल्म स्टार से उसकी मुलाकात हो जाती है और फिल्म स्टार comes into his life.
Then what happens to his life, what happens to his family, that's the story, and that's, and how he deals with it.
Sometimes a film is just bigger than the role that you'd play in it. And I thought it was a story that needed to be told. It's really sweet. It's a wonderful, very simple story. And sometimes it's just nice to be part of a good film.
The speciality of being ordinary, how difficult it is to be ordinary and live with it day in and day out. So I think that ideology really appealed to me, and I just told Priyansa, rather than making a big in-your-face commercial cinema after Om Shanti Om, we'd like to make a still big commercial, good at heart kind of film, telling the story of ordinary people.
The glamour world is represented by Sair Khan, that is Shah Rukh, and the ordinary people are represented by Irfan and Dara.
We are trying to portray the film part of the film a little over the top and a little louder, and the film stars were dressed up a little more glamorously than perhaps even in normal films, while the town part is supposed to be very sedate, very quiet and very realistic, just to be able to create these two different worlds. We decided it's a futuristic film that they're shooting. What the story is, we really don't know. But the idea was to, make the world look very synthetic and different from the small town. And that's why I thought, if you could even steal the look of Matrix. It is meant to be that in a village, suddenly you get these guys in blacks and running with glasses and, 1500 frames kind of shot, water falling.
अरे लेकिन अपने गांव में कहाँ पर है? नदी किनारे पे है, तालाब में है, छत पे है, गन्ने के खेत में है, पेड़ पे है, चबूतरे पे है, रास्ते पे है, छप्पर पे है, कहाँ पे है?
He is a character who's very slippery. You can't really understand him, and that's the trick in the screenplay. He's not being able to earn enough money for his family, but still he's okay.
I think Irfan is one of the most talented actors. Amazing eyes, brilliant dialogue delivery, very intense, and easygoing. I like the way he's portrayed Billu Babar. Every time I feel that I've done a film and I know a lot, I come across an actor and I'm like, oh wow, here is so much to learn. There's so much to do in my career as an actor. So I've utilized this space and this time in Billu Babar to learn from Irfan Khan.